Follow the line of your beard from the ear to the nose. Punch the line in by edging down to the beard. Try to keep a natural line, and don't take your beard line too far down your cheek. Place a comb at the top of your sideburn, then pull the bottom of the comb outwards to your desired length. Run the trimmer down the comb, cutting the longer hair. Continue down the side of the beard, angling the bottom of the comb further away from your face to create a nice blend between the longest and shortest part of your beard. Create a steady support by placing your spare hand below the area that you want to trim. Freehand with the shape of your beard, using long and confident strokes to remove any stray hairs. When shaping the bottom of your beard, use the front of the beard as a reference point. Hold the trimmer high up for more control, and trim towards your neck in a pivot motion that follows the natural shape of your jawline. Using gentle but confident strokes, tidy around the edges with the trimmer to create a straight line across the top of the lip. Use the corner of the blade to tidy the edges and detail below the bottom lip. Upgrade your grooming routine with the Wahl Aqua Blade, a powerful trimmer that allows you to trim, shave and edge all in one. With a lifetime blade guarantee and suitable for wet and dry use, it won't let you down.